Na fight on a quarrel.
Don't blame anything now.
Put a cook. Don't put rice on fire.
Nini and Perry clash over team tax.
Today, we lift it.
And where you go now? We one of us finished. No, the thing is, she didn't even care. It was party. Yeah, you come outside and tell me, you want your finger like, you told me my finger was up.
I actually
said, okay. No. I'm expressing myself. I'm expressing myself.
Was the finger in the right? Was the finger pointing?
Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye housemates Perry and Nini were involved in a hot exchange of words after a concluded team task. After the task on Saturday, the 8th of the show, Nini blew out at Perry for raising his voice at her when she tried to correct him during the task. She told him, "Don't ever come at me like that, it's not that deep." Perry gave her an instant clapback. "If it wasn't that deep, you wouldn't be yelling. You were the one yelling," Nini fired back at once.
Sorry, it's not that deep. My point is that don't fucking come at me like that. It's not that deep, man.
If it wasn't that deep, you would be yelling.
You know what? You started being serious. You were the one yelling. You were the one yelling. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't just come at me like that. I didn't.
When the issue was getting intense and Nini wasn't backing down, some housemates had to pull Nini out of the dressing room where she was with Perry. Cross told her that Perry might just be joking when he initially shouted at her, but she refused to agree, claiming that Perry intentionally shouted at her. Perry and some of the guys, however, smiled through the issue as Nini refused to calm down. Fans of the show took to Twitter to share their thoughts on the clash between both housemates. Someone commented, "Perry finished Nini with one line, 'If it wasn't deep, you wouldn't be yelling.'" Another tweet from Sumaya Yu said, "I love how men argue with one sentence and leave you to die like a mad woman. That shouting was so unnecessary and Aaron kept adding petrol on fire," at Melo tweeted. Mania said, "This Nini girl has dug her own grave. She's fighting a wild card." So guys, and what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if it's your first time of viewing, please don't fail to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get info whenever a new video drops.